This man was truly shocked when he saw his car's taillight turn into a beehive. In just a few hours, thousands of bees had gathered there. He was worried that if the bees stayed too long, they would get used to the spot and make his car's taillight their permanent home. So he carefully searched for the queen bee, who was always followed by her swarm, and placed her in a small box. He then moved the queen to a safe area where the colony could build a suitable new hive. Before long, all the bees began to follow their queen, and in no time they had settled into their new home. If you've ever seen bees, hit like.